Assalamualaikum everyone, and there has never been a time where things go up and they don't face a downside as well. It's just how it is. If you look at your heart monitor in a hospital, you basically have a line pulse that goes on and it goes up and down, actually signifying that you're still alive. And if you're dead, it's actually going to be a straight line. So these things, everything goes into crypto as well, right? You have some time where plants start to blossom and people harvest, and then you have the time where even the best wheat out there, they actually get dried up and they get washed away by the wind. So you're going to see ups and downs even on the 4 hour time frame, on the daily time frame, on the weekly, on the monthly. You will have bull runs, you will have bear markets. That's how the market really is. So anytime you're going to see a move to the upside, you're going to see a move to the downside as well. That's just pretty much how it goes. And these are known as cycle. Okay, cycles are going to be in crypto on every single day. It's just been like that for 100 years right now. So if you go back and look at the charts and look at the patterns, everything just goes up and down. So if you like what I just said, help me reach 100K. There you go. This was coming. I did my promotion right there, just a small promotion, because I'm enjoying how you guys are actually making me reach even 19,000 right now. In the past 4 or 5 days, it's been crazy with the subscribe. But when you subscribe, do make sure you're pressing the bells, because you get notifications straight on your phone whenever I post a video. So basically, if you subscribe, you're not going to know that I posted a video. But if you press the bell, you basically tell YouTube that, okay, whenever Adam Coin is posting Pepe updates, give me a notification, and then as soon as I post, you get that notification on your phone, which is pretty cool. So right now, I've been talking about Pepe before, and we are certainly taking a rest here. If I had to keep things very, very simple, then understand this, that you have a wick, and this wick has to be visited. Do you remember the last time that I've been talking about wicks? We had wick number 1 here, the prices went up, and then we started to go down. People thought we're going to move even lower, but I told you, I've been telling you, this wick will be taken away. And yes, in the future, we went back up, we took the wick, and as I told you, we're going to be rejected here. Once you reach here, you may get rejection, or maybe just pop and then continue and move to this technical target. So this is not in play, all right? The technical target up here, this is not in play. It's totally out of the question right now, because you really failed to break here in the first place, and instead you got rejected and the prices have started to move even lower. Now I can actually say that the wick down is at 10,278, and if you do actually come to 10,278, you're losing an important support. And then I do believe in the future we may see a correction down to 8844. This is where I believe the next support really lies on, because that's the demand box. You got one touch influence, one touch there, one touch here, one touch there. So you moved up and come down, you might actually end up coming up here. If you lose this and you go down and lose this is going to be even way more worse. But I cannot say if that's going to happen at the moment. And that's it for the Pepe update today. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.